Good afternoon, Q Peeps. This is Chris Jordan with CJ's BBQ and More. I'm pulling up here for my fourth catering at Fifth Third Bank. This is for a grand opening of their Woodlawn branch. Alright, this is Chris Jordan with CJ's BBQ and More. We have the branch manager of the new branch here off of Woodlawn Drive in Charlotte, North Carolina, Ms. Stiger. Alright, good. Thank you, first of all, for inviting me. This is like my fourth opportunity being able to cater for Fifth Third, and I'm so excited about it. Just want to get a few words from you about today.
Absolutely. So hello everyone, hello Facebook family, and CJ's BBQ and More. I am Fabiani, and I am the branch manager here at Fifth Third on Woodlawn, at the intersection of Woodlawn and South Boulevard. We had CJ cater to us today for our grand opening ribbon cutting. It's been a month since we've been open, but I can absolutely say we have thoroughly enjoyed the food that was brought to us today. If you have any needs at all for catered events, he is your guy.
Awesome. Thank you for this opportunity, and I look forward to working with you in the future.
Absolutely.